name is Rachel Winston. I'm a registered dietitian at Mayo Clinic. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Instant Pot to make Cajun chicken with brown rice. For those of you who are unfamiliar, the Instant Pot is a multi-cooker that serves as a pressure cooker, a slow cooker, a rice cooker, a steamer, a sauteer, and more. I know it sounds complicated, but it's simply one kitchen appliance that's capable of performing the functions of numerous gadgets. Plus, once you get the hang of it, it really couldn't be easier. The recipe I'm going to demonstrate uses the sauté and the pressure cooker function. As the name suggests, the pressure cooker uses steam to increase pressure and temperature to allow for food to cook quickly while maintaining its moisture. Similar to a slow cooker, you can oftentimes just throw the ingredients in the pot, set the timer, and walk away. However, the benefit of the pressure cooker is that it takes much less time. Cajun chicken recipe is perfect for weekend dinners, and leftovers will last throughout the week for lunches or dinner later on. It's also easily adaptable, as you can use different forms of protein instead of chicken, add in more veggies, or substitute various whole grains such as quinoa, barley, or farro. Enjoy!